Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a tour of one of Dubai's hidden gems, the incredible Ibn Battuta Mall. It is often called a forgotten mall despite its prime location right beside Sheikh Zayed Road and being conveniently connected to the Dubai Metro Red Line. But trust me, after this vlog you'll definitely want to visit this place. Let's start the tour. Ibn Battuta Mall is the world's largest themed shopping mall, and it spans a whopping 5.6 million square feet. That's right, 5.6 million. It has 275 shops and about 50 restaurants, so you can shop, eat, and explore to your heart's content. We're starting our journey in the Egyptian Court. The moment you step in, you're greeted by towering columns and pharaonic designs that make you feel like you're walking through an ancient Egyptian temple. The attention to detail is simply mind-blowing. Next up is the Tunisia Court. The blue and white decor is reminiscent of the coastal towns of Tunisia, and it's like a breath of fresh air with a more relaxed and laid-back vibe. The court is perfect for a leisurely stroll with charming cafes, where you can sit back and enjoy a cup of coffee or a light snack. The atmosphere here is so calming and picturesque. Welcome to the Persia Court. This court showcases the grandeur of ancient Persian architecture, like one would find in Isfahan, etc. With its stunning domes and intricate designs, it's a feast for the eyes and really captures the essence of Persian culture. You can find some unique boutiques here offering everything from Persian rugs to handcrafted jewelry. It's a great place to find something special and unique. centerpiece of the Persia Court is this massive dome. There's a couple of coffee shops underneath. It's the perfect place to sit back and relax with a cup of hot coffee. Next up is the India Court. This place is vibrant and colorful, reflecting the rich heritage and culture of India. One of the coolest features here is the working elephant clock. Just look at this masterpiece. It's not only functional, but also a beautiful piece of art. Unfortunately, the center portion of the India Court was closed off, maybe for some function or some renovations, but I was able to capture some views from above the hoarding. Finally, we're at the China Court. Check out this grand, imposing architecture, punctuated by this beautiful replica ship. The design here is influenced by ancient Chinese palaces with majestic dragons and intricate carvings. It's like a piece of China right here in Dubai. So that's a wrap on my tour of Ibn Battuta Mall. As you've seen, each court is a world of its own, offering a unique shopping and cultural experience. And while it doesn't have the high-end brands that you can find at Dubai Mall, it is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the history and beauty of the places that Ibn Battuta visited. If you're in Dubai, make sure to visit this incredible mall. It's much more than just a shopping destination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel and airline content. See you next time.